Now let's transform a general equation to a two-point equation, an intercept equation, and a normal equation. Now, this is the general equation of a line. Now let's convert it to its two-point form. Now we choose two arbitrary points on this equation, and these are two such points, right? The x-intercept of this equation is minus c over a and 0, right? Because the y value in the x-intercept is 0. And similarly, in the y-intercept of this equation, the y-intercept is minus c over b. 0 and minus c over b. And we know that the x value in the y-intercept is 0, right? You can find these out by just rearranging this equation. And the equation of the line through these points is this, right? You know that the two-point form, the general way to write the equation of the two-point form is y minus y1 over y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 over x1 minus x2. This y is the arbitrary y that we put into the equation, and this x is also the arbitrary x that we put into the equation, right? They're just variables. And this y1 and this y2, these are given to us as points, right? Similarly, this x1 and this x2, these are also given as points, right? So first thing you need to do is determine what this y1 is, what this y2 is, what this x1 is, and what this x2 is, right? So these points will be like this, right? x1, y1, and x2, y2, right? And we already know those 2 points, right? x1 is minus c over a, and y1 is 0. Similarly, x2 is 0, and y2 is minus c over b. So just replace them in the equation, right? And you get this, okay? And this is the first step in the two-point form. Now all you need to do is arrange these into the standard two-point form, in which case what you need to do is you will multiply this over here to the numerator of the right hand side, okay? And you'll eventually end up with this, which is the two-point form. Now let's see the intercept form. The equation that was given to us was in the general form, which is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now when you take the c to the right hand side, you get this, right? And now what you need to do is you need to divide this negative c on the right hand side and replace it with a 1, right? Because if you re-engineer this and take this negative c to the right hand side, it will just give you this equation again. Now that you have this, all you need to do is convert it into this form, right? Because x divided by negative c over a is equal to x multiplied with negative a over c, which is equal to negative ax over c, which is just what we had over here, right? And same goes for by over negative c, by over negative c, yeah. So yeah, all you need to do is, instead of writing minus ax over c, just write x over negative c over a. And instead of writing by over negative c, just write y over negative c over b. And hence, you'll eventually end up with the intercept form. Now, let's see how to transform the equation to the normal form. This equation can be written in the normal form in this way, right? All you need to do is take this plus c to the right hand side, which will eventually leave you with ax plus by is equal to negative c. And then what you need to do is you need to take just the magnitude of this a and this b. Okay? And that will become a square plus b square under root. Okay? And this, when you have this, you just divide it on both the right hand side of the equation and the left hand side of the equation, and then you'll have the normal form.